with all that shiny RGB and the power of ROG Strix, my laptop at my workplace looks, unacceptable. I'm gonna fix that and build clean work desk where I can game and work with much more pleasure. In first, I'm certainly going to use mouse, no matter how cool the touchpad is. Second thing is good mechanical keyboard, wireless also. And even if you can fit it on one table, that really good display needs to be much closer and higher to be used comfortably. And that's why third, big enough and separately 4K display. Yeah, that thing feels big enough. Let's try to figure it out. I believe I can build it clean. I think I have found the best solution if you want to use a laptop as an alternative to a full-fledged computer, and also don't want your desk to be a complete mess. These monitor brackets are excellent and inexpensive. Of course, there are hundreds of variations on the market with different strengths, maximum weights, and other details. I believe they all have roughly the same design. In the center of it is a mount that fits on almost any table in any convenient place. And arms are simply attached to this mount. I also have this platform that I can attach to one of my arms instead of a monitor in a horizontal position, and it will become an excellent stand for a laptop. Okay, let's install it. It should be easy. That's it. All I have to do is just put the arms in their place. This model has a small pressure screw on the backside that will prevent construction from being accidentally pulled out when moving. Moves nice and smoothly. Gonna try to place the laptop. It's really cool that with a slight movement I can change the depth of the monitor, change the focus from the monitor to the laptop and back, or even move them away, freeing up space. And all this time I also have absolutely clean table. I can't wait to connect them. We have 3 wires here. HDMI, going straight from laptop to monitor. Monitor and laptop power supplies, with both of them having the power brick on it. Well, let's plug it. It's already pretty good, but all these wires are bothering me. I need to solve this issue and also hide these huge power bricks. I want to do some good cable management and start with this power strip. It definitely needs to be plugged directly into the desk so it has only one external cable. Let's go. So we have a pretty simple shape printed on a bamboo P1S using PLA plus filament. Let's take it from the plate. It seems to be durable enough to meet our needs. Power strips has holes on the back for hanging on the wall. And I made these little holes for the screw that's supposed to hold the whole thing in place. Should be something like that. I'll install the screw and check that everything holds. Of course, I'll need another one of these parts. After I check that it fits, I prepared a second one exactly the same. Once both of these things are in place, I can secure them right under the table. Great, now I have 4 sockets in quick access, and they don't get in the way at all. As a bonus, there are 2 more USB ports, which are great for charging or anything else, also in easy access. It sits so tightly, I can literally move the whole table with it. I also printed out some simple brackets for the power bricks. They will now go under the table. So now I have my only one fancy cable coming out. The power supplies that are connected have a neat bundle of wires on the back that are out of the way. But what I definitely don't like is what's going on here on a middle. I noticed that there are 2 additional holes on the mount that will be very useful to me. I will be able to attach a basket for wires to them, which of course I will have to design and print first. Look at this, I think it would be a good idea for the manufacturer to ship this thing from the factory with these products. It looks so cool. There are special slots for nuts inside, and holes for a screwdriver are provided in the outside of the case. I hope I measured everything correctly and it will fit. Let's try. Oh man. That small part changes everything. Just look how beautiful it is. I am very pleased with the result. I got a very neat small workspace, with a completely free table, where you can have a snack without worrying about spilling coffee or dropping a crumb on your laptop, and find a place for everything you need during work. Only one power cable comes off the table, which does not even touch the floor. Regular cleaning of such a place will be very convenient. What do you think about this? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know this type of content is interesting. Thanks for watching.